Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book flight tickets on Qatar Airways. So please watch to the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Qatar Airways, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, as you can see, Qatar Airways is one of the world's best airline you can use to book flights online. So it offers flexible booking, and as you can see, their user interface is very intuitive. So no wonder this is one of the best platform that people choose or people recommended. And yes, as you can see, if you want to book an airway, just go to their website right here. As you can see, qatarairways.com, and you will be redirected to this page. And you just need to log in or sign up for an account. And after you're done with that, as you can see, you can now book a flight right here on their dashboard. So as you can see, you can choose what type of flight you are using. So you can go a return one way or multi city. So it's up to you what types of flight you're booking. And if you choose your type of booking, you can now choose where are you going from, or where are you from and where you want to go to. So for example, I'm from Kasim, and I want to go to, let's say, Manila, Philippines. So yes, you can see I can just choose my location where I'm from and where I want to go. So now, as you can see, you can now choose your departure, where you want to have your flight, and where you want to return. And as you can see right here, when you are choosing the date, each date available for booking have their own prices. So as you can see, each date right here, each day have their own prices. So now you can plan, or you can choose the day for your departure and the day for your return based on your budget. So yeah, it's up to you. So as you can see right here, after choosing your departure date and returning date, you will now see approximate price for your ticket per adult. So as you can see, my ticket flight will be somewhere SAR 5,973 per adult. After you're done with that, after you're good with that, just click continue. And now you can choose your passengers, number of passengers, and number or class. So for example, the passengers for your ticket includes two adults. It's up to you. If you have a child and or infants, so as soon as if you have that, children between 2 to 5 years old should be accompanied by an adult over 16 years old when traveling. So make sure that you have that. If you are overseas workers, yeah, you can just put that. So you can choose from economy to or premium. You can choose the class of your flight. If you want economy, it's up to you. If you want business, yeah, it's up to you. So after you're done with that, just click confirm, and you can now click search flight. And as you can see, you can also add a promo code if you have a Qatar Airways promo code to to have a discounts for your tickets. So yeah, that you can save money. And yeah, it's up to you. And after that, just click search flights. And if you click search flight, you will be redirected to this page. So you can see it start loading, it starts showing me the result. So this is the result. As you can see, I can now see more details about my departure flight from Kasim to Manila. So now I can see a bunch of dates, available dates for booking right here, and it correlates with certain prices. So as you can see, in my my flight is the most expensive one, my chosen date. So if I want to save money, I can just go from my departure flight from 29 June instead of July, so that I can save more money. So yes, you can see right here, if I scroll down, I can see more detailed look for the departure flights. So yes, you can see this is the most cheapest one among all the ticket flights. So if you want to save, just choose this one. And you can also see the departure time and also your arriving time. If your arrival time have +1, as you can see, you will arrive to your destination the next day. So yeah, and basically you can see it here. It says one stop, and the flight will took 30 hours and 10 minutes. And if you click this one, flight details, you will see more details about the flight. You can see the the more details of the flight, the date. So as you can see, you will see a bunch of stations you need to go before you can arrive to your destination. So from Qasim to Doha, and after that from Doha to Manila. So yeah, that's it. So now I can choose whether I choose economy or business. So if I choose business, this is the price. If I choose economy, this is it. So I can just click it, and right here it offers me two types of economy. I can choose economy convenience flight or economy comfort. And actually, when I choose economy comfort, of course, extra fares will be added, and also it has more benefits than the standard economy. So yes, that's it. So now after you're done with this, you can now select fares. So after that, you now need to choose your return flight. So you can see same thing with departure flight. You will see a bunch of prices depending on the day. So yes, if you want, you can choose the most expensive or the most cheapest prices, and it depends on the date. So yes, if you scroll down, you will see more detailed view about the the ticket flights, and yeah, you can choose whatever suits you. So for example, this one, I can choose this one. I can see the flight details. So it is July 2, 2025, and I can see the from my departure location, and also the station I need to go before I arrive at my destination. So now I choose this one. Also, I need to choose type of economy. Since the business is not available, I can only choose economy, and economy have three types: economy classic, economy convenience, economy comfort. And yeah, I can just choose it whatever I want, and click confirm after I'm done. So after I click it, so you can see it starts loading. So now I need to input my information. So who's traveling? So I need to input my passenger details. So in my ticket, I chose two adults, so two tickets. So I need to input these informations right here: their title, first name, last name on the passport, date of birth, nationality, and you can put more additional information. And it's just optionals, so it's up to you. So now after I input the traveler information, I can now continue to contact details. So after I click that, I need to input my contact details, my email address, and my mobile number. And also you can choose if you want to pay now, or you can now just select your seats and pay with Avios and more. And yeah, it's up to you. So now I'm going to choose this option, select seat first, and click continue. And as you can see, this window will appear. So it will ask you to join your privilege club. As you can see, if you want to become a member, which I recommend you to be one, you can unlock world of exclusive rewards and start collecting avios today. And yeah, if you want to use Qatar Airways more frequently, you can, join their privilege club. Or if you don't want it, you can just continue as a guest. So you can see it starts loading again, and I will be redirected to this page right now where I can now choose my seats per flight. So as you can see right here, each seats have their own prices. So the blue one is more expensive than the green one. So you can choose whatever suits you. So let me choose this one. After I chose the flights, I can go to next flight. Same thing again. I choose my flight seats. So right here. So click the next flight for the last flight. So now I selected all of my seat each flight. I can now review the selection. So this is the summary of my flights. The from Qasim to Doha station, from Doha to Manila. This is the departure, and from the return, Manila to Doha, Doha to Qasim. And this is the seat number. I can see the seat number each flight, and also the ticket prices per seat and per flight, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. So I'm after I'm done, I can just click confirm and continue. And now I will be redirected to this. So now I'm redirected to this page right here. So I can choose add-ons, so I can complement my journey with a wide range of class services. I can add additional baggage if I need one. So if I select it, as you can see, the additional bag weight, I can enter my bag weight per passengers. So yeah, it's up. It's only you can only input multiples of 5 kilogram, and yeah, it's up to you. For example, going to choose this one. I input that's 5 each. Click continue, and it also adds extra price for you since you add additional baggage. But this is only optional. So if you don't want to have additional baggage, it's up to you. So yeah, right here. So as you can see, also they offers airway lounge, so you can enjoy online exclusive discount of up to 10% and relax at one of our luxurious lounges at Hamad International Airport on your upcoming trip. So if you want to have a lounge first before having your flight, yeah, you can do so. And yeah, it correlates with a prices too, so you will have to pay additional charges. Same thing with this Almaha service and meet and assist. You can also purchase Almaha services online for your upcoming trip, designed with your time and comfort in mind. And our personalized meet and assist service aim to ensure a seamless journey through Hamad International Airport. So yeah, after you're done with that, just click continue, and now you would see right here now your trip summary, the overall information about your trip, departure time, the outbound flight and the inbound flight, the departure and also the arrival. So yeah, you can just take note for this informations right here. So in case you need to be earlier before the departure, you can plan. So and yeah, that's it. So now also the passenger details, you can see it right here, contact details and also the seat numbers per flight, the additional baggage, purchase conditions. You need to also to make sure that you read all of this, their terms and condition and their purchase condition. You need to read this and make sure that you approve with this. And also the refund fare rules, you can also read this one. If you want to have a refund, make sure that you read this one because they have a rules for it. And for the donate and offset emissions, you can support you can also have donation for lives through education and contribute to carbon offsetting program. You can do so if you want to donate. So yes, as you can see right here, you can now pay for your ticket. So you can pay now, you can go cash, or you can use Avios Max, or you can hold your booking first. So it's up to you. And after you're done, make sure that you read and accept the terms and conditions as stated above and general conditions of carriage applicable to the flight. So after you approve with that, just click this box, just check it and click purchase. And after you click purchase, you will be redirected to the payment where you need to choose if it's online payment or cash payment. Yeah, it's up to you. And after you choose a payment, you will be redirected to the confirmation notifying you that your booking has been processed of confirmations. They will send an email to your contact information showing that your flight has been confirmed and your ticket has already been set. And yeah, that's it. So you just need to wait for the day of your departure and you're good to go. So now, yeah, that's it. That's how you can book flights on Qatar Airways. And yeah, that's also for it for this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.